Sis Alice.
This is Saudi of Rio de Janeiro as the game moving apart. Yes, now is My Good Grace to take the lead. My Good Grace, Rio de Janeiro, Beniz, alongside comes Aldo Storm. Bahaghari comes next, Artistic Star, and Big Brown is racing in last. As a leader, that's My Good Grace by about 2 lengths. And in second is Beniz. Moving up now is number 4. That's the couple, Artistic Star, Altus Charm. In the middle portion, Bahaghari, Rio de Janeiro. And a long way back to Big Brown. And that's still My Good Grace by Auralenga. Beniz still in second. Artistic Star outside third. Rio de Janeiro, Bahaghari, Altus Charm, and Big Brown. And that's still My Good Grace by about 2 lengths. Beniz still in second. Artistic Star now trying to get closer in third. Bahaghari, Altus Charm with My Good Grace still the leader. Artistic Star in second as they come down to the last little of the My Good Grace now racing away by about 4 lengths. Beniz, Artistic Star, last 150, and it's still My Good Grace now by about 7 lengths of an Artistic Star. Entering the finish line, the veteran Toberts Kalingasan on My Good Grace. Second, Artistic Star. 3, Beniz, Rio de Janeiro, Bahaghari, Altus Charm, and Big Brown comes in last.
This program is brought to you by ATZ Coenzyme Q10. You're in good heart.
Quarter clocking